Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. So it's currently 6:15 a.m. and this is our last full day here in Boracay. Oh, I'm sad. So this is our last full day. Today is January 5 na ba? Ano, today is January 4 and I'm going down sa Savoy Cafe or Cafe Savoy for breakfast. Guys, nauna ko dali sa breakfast. So, okay lang breakfast. Tapos ganahan ko itong may scrambled egg. Pero pwede na kang request for scrambled egg. So, this is my breakfast. Hi guys! So, we are now off to church. So, ganina nag-video na ko pero gamit akong phone. Nag-breakfast na ko and all. So, of course, the usual, very messy room. Kaya ako mga kuyog, very messy. So, we are now off to church. It's currently 7:26. Tapos 8 a.m. ang church. Walay free shuttle today pa kay 9 a.m. pa ang free shuttle. So, magpatawag rami og e-trike. Mao lang sa niyan disadvantage when staying here at New Coast, Boracay. Kay 300 no? 300 ang isa ka e-trike. So, sulit ra sa amo kay 7 or 8. 7 or 8 no? 6 or 7 man ang masud sa tricycle since 14 man mi kabuok. But, kana sulit lang 300. Pero kung usa or duha ra mo, then mag e-trike mo, alkansi mo sa 300. Yan na pa di uban mangila 350 daw. Based from experience. So let's go. We're going to our off the church and then we're going to stay at station 1, then lunch in station 1 wherever. So we'll bring you today in Boracay. Yan, so this is the lobby of Savoy. Guys, grabe ka hangin ng Boracay because of amihan. So we are now booking an e-trike para masakyan na mo going to church. Hello, say hi to the vlog. Good morning.
Still have it.
Yes. Yeah, you still have it. It's very nice. With the senior citizen.
Pwede mo ko senior citizen.
Excuse. Asa man to? Ay, hugaw. Di man hugaw. Ano na gina?
Kuhan ka ng basa.
Now we're off to church. Local transportation. Uy.
As a local. Hello mga kaloko.
Hello mga ka-locals. Hi, baby girl. So we're now here at the Church of the Most Holy Rosary. So we're going to attend the 8 a.m. Mass. Ay, asa man ka? Amo na entrance? Sorry. Hi guys, sumana ang mass.
Panamin ko guys.
So ato na mi sa kuan beach pero mangaon sa mga wala naka-breakfast. Good morning, Ellie. Are you excited for the beach?
Yes!
Good morning guys. Can we extend?
Uy, ayaw na ka mag-duty. We're going to the beachfront. So this is the church. And then this is the Lagusan going to the beach. Yan. So that's Willis Rock. So guys, mo ni karon ang Boracay at 9:37 AM nga naay amihan.
Hindi, amihan day.
May amihan gani mo bitang grabe ka an. Ala, na siya lumot. Nag-start na ang lumot, guys. We're now going to the grotto of the Mama Mary kay atong mga religious senior citizens. Pinag-usam ka dira. Okay, family picture here at the grotto. So this is the view. That's the view. Let's go exit na ta. Ano siya yung mga lumot, guys. Nag-start na ang lumot sa Boracay. Station 1.
Welcome, postman. Finger heart, man.
Guys, first time dyan ko nakaabot sa Willis Rock. Uy, karon rabi ko kari sa Willis Rock nga kuan, wala dyan tubig. Picture. Let's eat breakfast first. Come on. Oh, what's that? Let me check.
Make it sad.
Yeah, it's too much. Ah, we're buying kuan. Bracelet. Ay, bracelet! Necklace. Na shells. Wow. Na nakuha ni before, guys, but nabaha siya. So, palit kong bag-o.
Oh, salamat Simple Vlogs.
They're making the sandcastle, but wala pa. Hi guys! Ang mga tiguang senior. Ang mga senior citizen kay nagbanig-banig.
Hello, Tati Faith.
Pili ko tayo.
Ay,
Sige.
kuya, pili ko ka na, tahor.
Sad ka?
Yes, me, tahor. Okay, people watching here in Boracay. Uy, pwede na ma-online. It's a Sunday, daghang kiktaw here in Boracay. Nagbanig. Pila na yung banig, ma? 100 ang banig. Mahal naman ang banig, lag.
Pwede na ta magdag sand dong, white sand.
Daily, makuan. Horangon ka sa airport. Magdakag sand. Ay, wow! Dili lagi ni transparent.
Init pa dong.
Scam si kuya, ingon sa init pa daw. Ang taho sa whole Philippines parihara except sa Baguio kay strawberry. Walking here at White Beach in Boracay. It's very gloomy. Wala gyud sun. Pero nag-shades wala sun. Yan. This is Boracay today, January 4. Guys, ato sa ni silang pangutan-on kung nalingaw ba ni sila, guys. Nalingaw mo diha, madam. Say hi to the vlog. Nanghigda naman. Nanghigda na sila, guys. Nanghigda naman sila. Hi guys, so it's currently 6:30 p.m. So we're going to have a family dinner. So this is going to be our last dinner here in the island. So we are going to try some seafood. So makita pa mo dito kapisa. So this is the last day. Tomorrow 9:30 among pick up sa van going to the airport.
Wow! So guys, mag-change siya tag-name sa channel, Mukbang with Tupe na ta. Guys, magda-diet na daw sa 2026. Tanaw yung plato, guys. Saka na sa maka mag-start ang diet.
January 29.
2029?
26 na dada. Hey guys, nag-Ferris wheel ang mga bata guys.
Hi guys, busog na siya. See previous clip.
Uy, busog kay ko. Wala na ako naka-vlog sa Magikan.
Hi! Dali may nag-dinner guys, seafood. CNC seafood. Lamig siya. Sa kalami niya guys, wala ko naka-vlog.
Ha?
Jump! How's the experience, Ellie? How's the experience? We are here at the branch of Jonas Preaching. So we're going to have fruit shake for tonight. Vlog dira, hi guys. Nanginom na mig Jonas, guys. Hi guys. Nanginom na mig Jonas. Nanginom, mga or whatever. Hi guys, we're now going back sa hotel. This is our last night here in Boracay and we're going back to Cebu tomorrow. Say hi! What?
Oh, after sa hotel, asa man siya?
And then we're going to have
Inakol ko guys!
mag-bar pa taon niya. Hi guys, it's January 5 and we're going home. Wala na ko nilatagda guys, kaya we're going home. Init na kayo.
Bitin ka ayo. Tungod ni setback.
Snaky sir. See you in Cebu. Okay, very good, Isha girl. Watch your step.
We're gonna do the other one.
Okay, go. Get inside, see, go. Bye, Boracay. Hi, Ellie. Hey. Mana, bye, Boracay. Lah. I think this is not the same as... Yes, we arrived here at the jetty port. Aray ko, masud. Yay! Thank you. Then, diretso na kami sa bus. Hello, bus.